Hello everyone, welcome back to the apps ICP channel. Today we will learn how to create CRUD process in ICP Smart contract using Motoko programming. So let's start. Firstly, we open the Ubuntu and then we create new project. To create the new project, we type dfx new and then the name for our project. So for this video, we will name our project with with Motoko CRUD, and then we choose the Motoko programming or Motoko language. We choose the React Native for our front end framework, and then we choose internet identity, and then we just wait for the installation. Alright, after that we open our project using Visual Studio Code. We just connect to our WSL. And then we open folder to our project, Motoko CRUD. And then click OK. So in the source folder, we go to Motoko CRUD backend, and then we go to main.mo. And then we just close this, and then close this, and then we start for the firstly we start for the CRUD, and then we just clear this one. Then we can name our actor with a user. After that, to create a CRUD in Motoko, we need to declare the type first. Firstly, we need to create or declare the user ID first. User ID, and then the type for our user ID is a natural number for 32. And then we make this this variable is public, and then the type. Right. And then the next one, we need to create the data structure for user. We type the public, and then we type public, type users, and then the data structure is firstly we can create other, or we can create more for the data structure, but in this video we just put two type or two variable. First name, we just put first name, and then the first name is a text, and then we put the last name, and then the type is text also. Alright, so the next step is we need to declare user ID and users to a stable declaration. We put it's a private stable var ID, and then we declare this ID into this one. Then initial value we put a 0 for our user ID. Private private stable var ID. And then we type a private for users. And then the type for these users is 3. T R E 3 dot 3, and then user ID users, this one. And then we declare to mt3 dot mt. All right. So the next one, we create a function for the create public function create, and then the parameter is users, and then this type of these users we copy this one, and then the synchronize, and then user ID. So in this user ID will be written the format. If we use text, so we will this function will be written the text format. But for this one, we will return the user ID if we create the new user. So the ID for the new user will be we will return for this function. So we will use this one, the format natural number 32, and then let we declare the let user ID, and then we equal to this one, var ID. And then we after we create a new ID, we will be add 1 or plus 1 for this ID, plus equal to 1, and then we create this, and then this one, double dot equal to 3 dot replace, and then bracket users, this one. So this variable is we take from this, and then equal to comma the key for our users this one, users ID, and then net 32 dot equal users, and then this one. So this code means we 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 create, or we take the value from user or from the client, and then we put this into this one. Then we equal to 0. After that, we return the user ID. So we will return user ID. So if the first user, so will be take this one 0. So the first user will be return the